What is this thing? Oh my God!
Get out of here!
Get out of here! What's this, Michael?
It's my Jeep.
Oh shit! Yeah, throw that hood up.
Yeah.
Simple cam, iron head, 5.3.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
5.3 LS.
5.3 LS.
The supercharger.
So what we got here, folks, we got a 12 valve Cummins with a hopped up pump, hopped up engine, bigger injectors, 3-piece manifold.
Yeah, look at this.
What do we got?
What's that called?
That's a P pump.
That's a 215 P pump.
That's a 215 P pump, boys.
OG block.
From the OG block.
Got some Frankensteining here.
Wait a minute, are you running 33s on 16s?
Those are, well, so I'm gonna get this new like camber wheels.
Yeah.
The shock rating.
Oh! I built it. I got 40s out here on some bead locks. Damn. Oh, let's check out the new seats, dog. What? What? You got race seats, what? I dig it. Except for it's a Dodge. Oh, I sent it way harder than you.
Well, so I did run these at Sand Mountain, that's why they were at 5.
These are bead locks? No, they're not.
No.
Yeah, they're bead looks.
So which one is
Damn, Spencer. What a buzzkill, man. We were doing so good. We were having so much fun. And then Spencer decides, hey, I don't need a tire. Scraping and cleaning the rear tank, skid plate, and strap system, I guess you can call it. Yeah, dirty job. All right, so we're gonna pour some oil in there and get going. For engine oil on my 7.3, I would like you guys to know that I run Napa copyright heavy duty diesel universal fleet plus SAE 15W-40 engine oil aquí para modo o gasolina 1U.S. gallon half circle 3-78 L half circle. What do you have?
What is that?
That's my dad's 89 dually, I think.
Damn. Bro. This thing has cleaned the whole shop today, and you treat it like that?
Yeah, same way I treat you.
Yeah, like trash. Napa, 1540. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, hey.
See how close I can get.
Is it gonna run?
Come on, overfill.
Leak everywhere.
Leak everywhere. Come on. Oh, ow! Dude. Got the power steering bracket on the engine. Next is a couple of grounds, exhaust back pressure tube. Slowly work from there. Damn. Horrible.
Still got a ratchet shit.
Shouts to Andrew Arthur with AA Design and Tuning. Shouts to this clamp. It's pretty tight. It's held me together through the worst of my times. Shouts Invisible Glass. Shouts from Trash Can.